basically I'm just doing my morning routine for you guys. So, as a few of you have asked me what kind of products I'm using at the moment. Right now, I'm trying out some new products. I've been using them for a while, but I thought, let me let into my little secret. So I've just washed my face with the new La Prairie foam cleanser. It's a bit pricey, but I have a couple, but this is one of my luxury home care regime that I use, you know what I'm saying? So this is a Pixi mud cleanser. Basically, it's a glow mud cleanser. Ideally, you can either use it to wash your face as well, but I use it as a mask because it just helps to get out any impurities that's in my skin.